This is how to turn the iPhone flashlight on and off and a couple tips and tricks on how to use it. So the easiest way is pull down from the top right. There's a little flashlight icon there. Tap that, flashlight turns on, you can see it reflecting on the desk back there. If you don't have a flashlight icon there, tap on the plus icon in the top left, or the plus symbol, tap on Add a Control, and then find the flashlight in this list. There it is right there. If you can't find it right away, search for it here. If you're in Britain, it might say torch instead of flashlight. Then you have it on your control center. On the lock screen, there's quite often a flashlight. There's mine right there. Tap and hold. Just got to hold for a second. When you just tap it, it just bounces. So you have to tap and hold for just a second to turn it on and off. If you don't have a flashlight showing up there, you can also customize your lock screen items. Just tap and hold on the lock screen. Eventually it comes into the editor like this, and then tap on Customize. And here we see our flashlight with a little minus symbol. We can get rid of it, or whatever is there you can get rid of to add your flashlight back in. This is similar to the list in the control panel. Just pick flashlight or replace it with something else, something that you use more often or is more useful for you. You can have it right on your lock screen there. Tap on Done. When you're done, get out of here, and then you'll have your flashlight or something else right down there. Something else you might not know about your flashlight. Swipe down from the top right to get you to your control center again, and then tap and hold on the flashlight icon. This is the brightness. So you see I'm on the lowest setting. Watch how bright it gets as it reflects on the desk. It should be getting brighter and brighter as we go. So that's pretty cool. I usually have it on the lowest because that's bright enough for me, but you can put it on whatever setting you want. Keep in mind, the higher the setting, the more battery it's going to use. Even though it's an LED and it won't use too much, it still uses battery. And if you're prone to forgetting your flashlight's on, there's actually a setting that will notify you when your flashlight's on and has been on for too long. That's in the settings. And it's buried under accessibility and voiceover, and then verbosity, and then we have flashlight notifications. Mine are turned on. It says here, alert when the flashlight is left on. I don't know how long it takes for that. I've left my flashlight on for quite a while before, and I haven't received an alert, so I'm not sure how long this waits to send an alert, but turn this on, and you should be getting an alert if your flashlight's on too long. But wait, there's more. Check this out. Hey Siri, turn on flashlight. There's a little toggle here that'll turn your flashlight on and off, which is pretty nice. Siri's still listening, so who knows what will happen next. You tap on flashlight settings here, it doesn't go anywhere. I'm not sure why that's there. But then you can say, hey Siri, turn off flashlight. And it's off. That's pretty simple to use. That's set up by default on your iPhone. There's no settings needed for that. And if you got value from this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. And then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it and it needs to be done. So check out that video and I'll see you there.